Okay guys, so I've had some people calling, not calling, but emailing, having a little bit of trouble understanding what to do on these types of problems. So I made an account real quick and I'm gonna solve one of these problems for you. In triangle KLM, well, let's draw triangle KLM first. We know that it's gonna be a right triangle because all of this is about right triangles. So let's go ahead and draw the triangle. Let me see if I can get more light here. Well, that's too much light. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to draw a right triangle. Doesn't have to be pretty, just a right triangle. There's my right angle. I got a little bit of extra space there. And I've got KLM. It says the measure of angle M is 90 degrees. So this is going to be M down here. That's my 90-degree angle. And then it says KM. Let's make K up here. This is segment KM is 48. We put a 48 out here. And LK, I guess this would be L. LK is 73. Okay. And ML, it says ML is 55. 55 from M to L, that's 55. So what ratio represents the cosine of L? Well, we know that cosine is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So we're working with L. Let's circle angle L just so we remember what we're working with, because remember, opposite and adjacent will change depending on which angle you're working with. So we're working with L. And we're looking for the adjacent side to L. Let's go ahead and label our hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse is the furthest side away from the right angle, and it never changes. So we know that's the hypotenuse. And then we need adjacent, because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, here's L. This would be the adjacent side to L, the side that's touching L. This would be the opposite side from L, you see. So if we have our adjacent is 55 and our hypotenuse is 73, okay, that is our ratio, our cosine of angle L. Our cosine of angle L. You could try and simplify that if you'd like. I don't think 55 and 73 are gonna simplify, but I can try it here on my calculator. And if you turn your iPhone this way, you'll get a scientific calculator. And let's see, it'll be 55 divided by 73. That's all a fraction is you take the top number and divide it by the bottom number. And so this comes out as 0.75 da 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 da. So that's not a reduced fraction. If it came out to be an integer or something that we could easily spot, like if it was 0.75, we'd know that's 3/4, but it's not, so we're good there. So our final answer for this one would be 55/73.